Welcome, traders. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back. My name is Justice, and this is called to trade, right? So, let me make sure my audio is all right. Okay, so this is code to trade. We are in New York session, right? So the objective of the session is so that we can, I guess, get winning trades, right? Succeed. So if you were not here in London, you missed out. And also, after London, yeah, that is the surprise that you are asking yourself, what happened? How did that take place? Yes, it's real. So let me zoom it in. It's a little bit small so that it can be all right there, so that your eyes can actually see. So yeah, um, I took a trade. I saw a trade right after. Um, just make sure if just make sure if it's audible. Just give me a second. Oh, we've got Zandile Mkhize. Zandile Mkhize. We've got Zandile Mkhize. Welcome, Zandile Mkhize. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for subscribing. Subscribe. Um, yes, guys. So I got a trade and I made sure I recorded it. In fact, what delayed me right now is that I was um, actually editing the video and I was hoping to post it before, but looks like I'll be posting it after New York. So no problem with that, right? So we've got um, yeah, so we've passed, right? We've passed our account, guys. We've passed an account. You see the whole video of how I actually passed it. I'll drop the video, but we've actually passed an account. The second account, right? You can see the equity there is 53.19, and the objective was to make $2,000, right? So I've made $19 more, and I've made the $3,000. And this account, I only got it yesterday. Yes, I only started. No, I started yesterday, and I passed it today. So if it's your first time, don't be shy, guys. Subscribe. Welcome to you. If it's your first time being here, like I said, and I see there's a new person, Zandile Mkhize. Like the way we are so small on this channel, we know each other, right? Like we know each other by name, right? So no, that is good. That is good. So we passed the account, and on the master account, which you can see below, we are up 2.3, right? So that's 2.3. Practically, we can't really withdraw this money at the moment. The only time we'll be able to withdraw this amount or this money, and I'm talking about this 2.3, because you have to make the buffer, which is 2.5, and then with an extra $100. And then after you do so, you need to, whatever profits you make above, then you can withdraw, right? So right now in my head, I'm considering myself like $200, $300 in drawdown in order for me to get to break even. And then after that, whatever we make, it's ours to keep, right? That 2.6 though, you can withdraw it if you request for the whole amount. I think, I don't know if it's now, but the contract does say something along the lines. And then after that, but if you withdraw they call it the SPT or something like that. What happens is you then lose the account, right? So you then lose the account. Sanzo, thank you for joining. Jenny B, thank you for joining. Yes, sir. It is the second account. It's the second account. So, oh, is it yes, ma'am? Denny is a male name. So yes, we've passed the second account. So right now, I was trying to log into the Bolonox website. It's now back up. It was actually down, but it's actually back up right now. And guys, also subscribe on Twitter. Follow us on Twitter. Right on Twitter, I do post updates. I do post objectives, what I'm potentially seeing in the market. Right. Okay. Let's go to what I'm looking at. Right. I'm seeing this guy here. I'm seeing us buy. I am seeing us buy with this guy here. I'm looking for. I feel like the buys might already have taken place as we're talking now, but I'm saying a buy, but I want to be part of the sell. In order for me to be part of the buy, I need to see more factors of confluence. Right? I need to see a good amount of factors of confluence. So I'm seeing price. I want to take a buy around this vicinity here. All right, that's if it does give it. If it doesn't come there, that's fine. I'm looking for price to come there. Um, Potential buy is here. Potential buy, but if that doesn't happen, again, um, we don't have to go crazy over that, right? So just give me a second. I want to confirm. I'm not sure if that buy is going to take place. I'm not sure if that buy is going to take place. So one price just to come, I would love to see it here. So I'm going to take a high here. I'm saying high. I'm going to put an alert here. And then if price does arrive there, then we can look to buy, right? Then we can actually look to buy. So um, yeah, then we can actually look to buy. We've got that. And then let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Oh, because I'm a bit hungry, so I've got, yeah, from abroad, a thing called Facebook here, Guinia, right? Guinia, that's it there. So I'll be snacking on that too. You just please give me a second. Okay, back and back and back and back and back. So that's if that happens. If that doesn't happen, there is a potential continuation to go down, right? There is a potential continuation to go down. So we want to see um, that's this time. Let's see. I think I'm using the wrong screen here. Okay. So the two trades we got in today, guys. No, this is yesterday's one, which is a winning trade. It's the one we ate today, and then the one I ate was what was this 30? Did I even go out? This is a paper trading account, so okay. So I actually went out here, somewhere here. I can actually I found a way of showing you now. Mm, I've actually found a way of showing you. Just give me a second. Let's see, this is also small. After I should move the. I hope it's better now. Okay, it is better. So I actually have a way of showing you the entry and my exit. So let me just show you my entry and my exit for this guy. I'll show you now. It was what was it? It was YM. Yeah, it was just 30 that I actually got in. Yes, this guy. Yeah, I can now show you more things now, more than just the normal things, right? I can show you. Um, let's see, why not loading my brother? YM, this one, perfect. And then we go here, we go there, chatter. Then we go to. Well, I took the trade on both accounts, so I want to show you where I actually got in. Look how beautiful this was, guys. Look how beautiful this was. So this is where we actually got in. Let me make this a bit larger. So this is the trade. This is the trade we took um, after we were taking our winning trade, which put us a bit down. Then said, okay, it's fine. Then there was another setup I saw here. So I got in here, ended up going out there. Look at this one now. This is the one which I was happy about. Look at how I got in here, then we went out there. Literally, we took the trend, right, which was beautiful, 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 beautiful. So that was the nice thing about that guy. Let me make this. See, this is also short. Make it a bit longer. Okay, sharp. So that was the trade that we took from here all the way to there, which is beautiful. I made us pass our accounts, right? So we can carry on now with the day. Let's see what the day may have for us, right? Um, let's see what the day may have for us. So right now we've got. I just want to make sure I'm audible, guys. Okay, I am audible. That's good. Okay, fine. So we've got that was US30 the trade. So I'll just come to show you. No, take this one. And by the way, guys, nothing on this channel is financial advice. Make sure before you make any financial decision, you do your own research, right? Make sure you do your own research. And I'm not financially regulated by the FSCA or any other financial board, right? So make sure that um, you are making a good decision in anything that you do. Anything you see on this stream, it's all for entertainment purposes and educational purposes only. It's not meant to um, it's not meant to for you to use it as um, financial advice. Okay, cool. Um, Gold. Let's go back to gold. We looked at gold earlier on. We got in gold, a good trade. Let's see, what do I have on gold on the other side here? Excuse me. Okay. With gold at the current moment, it's not showing much, right? Or it's not uh, saying much. Yeah. We are on the 15 here. Cool. So it's looking like in fact, let's put in everything. So we'll put in our daily range so we can see at what part are we in price compared to yesterday, right? If we are still inside the previous daily high or and low, or if we you know somewhere. I mean, this week was just amazing, guys. We did not trade Monday and Tuesday, and we traded Wednesday and today, which is Thursday. Oh my goodness, today's Thursday. I did not take out the dustbin. Oh man, I hope that didn't cause trouble. Ish, 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 ish. I should have done that. Okay. Um, yeah, we'll see with that. If you want to know more about what happened after I did not take out the dustbin, you just let me know, and then I'll update. But otherwise, we've got this here. That was yesterday. Opened here, we closed there, and you can see it was crazy, crazy range, right? It was impulsive just here, and definitely that is New York. Like if there has to be a session that's impulsive, one out of all the four sessions that we have, New York will take the number one. New York will say, "Hey, I want to be number one," right? Which is that day. So you can see you would have thought London was impulsive, right? But after you look at this here, this is more structural and this is impulsive. So fine, we are still within yesterday's high and low, and our previous looks at price. Its objective um, is to take out this low here, right? Oh, babe, she's like, okay, don't worry, the dustbin was out. So we've got the update, guys. The dustbin, my wife who's on the stream commented there that the dustbin was taken out. So that's good. Thank you, thank you, thank you, babes. Thank you, babes. Um, yeah, I think the washing part is still left for me, so I have to wash when I get back. But cool. Um, what do we see? Right, we can see our Asia there was a party that took place, right? Without us there in Asia, and then London also did give. So New York, like we just talked about now, that if you see Asia can move, London can even move more than Asia, but New York would do its best. New York and afternoon session would do their best to make sure that because afternoon session is also part of New York too, so um, they'll do their best to make sure that um, it takes the cup, right? So again, let's go back to the economic calendar for today. So we can see that we've got um, it's a good day to trade. We've got our economic events taking place at 8:30, right? So that is going to be the core retail sales, and then we also have our unemployment, right? Retail sales as well. This is just, these usually come together, and then We've got our unemployment claims, right? So that is good. That's just signaling that there's going to be juice in the market. Not that we want to wait for price to get there and then we do in the name of what. No, if the market, if price is sharp, it's okay. It should be in the trade, and then news finds us. Yeah, it will find us inside the trade, right? This type of news, not the red, the major red folder news now. So this one is okay. It just indicates that we're going to have um, juice in the market, right? Which is the same juice I'm talking about how New York loves to move, right? Make sure that tries its best to have a higher ADR than the whole day, than the other sessions. But if I say ADR, it's just talking about the whole daily range, average daily range. A higher, maybe ASR, which is average session range, right? So it wants to have the highest. I can say that. Okay, so at the moment we are, yeah, we are back, right? Okay, cool. Yes, we are back. So at the moment we are looking forward to, okay, with gold. Just give me a second. I want to update my analysis here. With gold, okay, okay. So with gold, we just need to watch gold. We need to watch gold. We just need to watch gold because it's giving uh, potential sells, right? It's giving potential droppings, right? But we need to wait. We need to wait, and it needs to give us what we want to see with gold. And we'll go maybe on the 3 minutes. You actually see a bit more. All right, yeah. So I'm looking forward to at least maybe gold if it can drop lower, maybe, and then pull back. After it pulls back, then we can potentially look for sales, but it will need to do it in a specific way, not just it just doing it right. It needs to do it in a specific way. So, and then if you go to um, if we go to, let me see what else is on the watch list. So we talked about gold. Let's see NASDAQ. Okay, NASDAQ is giving that. Let's go to NASDAQ so I can show you what I'm seeing here. Again, like I said, potential area for us to go up here. I've got my left there already. Um, but hey, it's going to be a lot. But it'll be nice if, for example, if news shoots it there, like it pushes price there, then we start looking for potential, wait for confirmations, we see if the potential sales are going to be there. Otherwise, I should actually not make the mistake of trading this account here, right? What do you call it? The the, the account that we just passed. Okay, so we will see if this guy is going to give us anything that we'd like to see there. But yeah, at the moment, no. At the moment, I'm just waiting. But I am bullish again. I want it to go up. That's what we're looking for. We've got some of our confirmations from this area here. So when price actually come up, then we can drop. We'll see what it does, but there's more bullish moves here taking place. Then we're probably going to be down. No, we will be taking the bearish going down because it going up, it will be it giving us the confirmation to go up. Because if it doesn't go up, then we can't get in the trade, right? So we have to wait. Otherwise, price can also, there are other important areas I'm seeing here that price can choose to go up and then retrace, go down, but um, it's best for us to wait for the sell instead of looking to go buy. So we'll wait there. Let's go back to gold while I'm checking other keys here. Okay. Don't be shy, guys. If you've got questions, you can ask. The questions you can ask. So, US, say NASDAQ, yeah, US 100 looks like it's kind of trying to give us the confirmation. So it's fine. We'll still be waiting. We'll still be waiting. Um, That's one interesting thing about yesterday with Euro USD. Remember what I said about Euro USD? If you can go back when I gave an outlook for yesterday. Ha! Look on the higher time frame. 15 minutes, right? Where is it? 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 Oh, I'm choosing something, sorry. I did mention that. What time frame are we on? Oh, yes, I did mention that that we've got potential buy here with Euro USD. What's the date of the 17th? That's today. Oh, okay, or maybe it's today. You see? Today is this, yeah. Today is the 17th, yeah. Okay, now I'm talking about something else. But it's this guy here, I think. Yeah, yeah, it's this guy here. Where I said I'm expecting price to pull back and go up, yeah. It's this one, yeah. I was now looking at something else. But okay, let's see. Um, what else do we have here? Okay. If you're new to the channel, guys, don't be shy. Subscribe, subscribe. Yeah, you can subscribe. Don't be shy. So we are waiting for this guy here. We'll go back again. Look at it. Where is it again? Yeah, here we are. Here we are. Waiting for it to buy, right? So then we can look for sales, potential sales. We'll be having our economic event in the next few minutes. We're having our economic event in the next few minutes. So let's see. I want to confirm this setup now. Then see if we will be taking a trade or not. See if we'll be taking a trade or not. Okay. See, we've got 6 people watching, guys. This is beautiful. This is nice. Yeah, it's only gonna get better, guys. It's only gonna get better. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Um, okay, so I'm just confirming, like I said, right? If we are gonna be taking this trade or not. Let's see, gold. I'd say what the gold. I think it was a better watch. And the 3 minutes. I said, yeah, I wanted to drop low and then we pull back and then we can probably sell. It needs to give us a good indication, right? So we are just waiting for that one there. Um, okay, while we are waiting, let me just confirm, like I said, real quick here. NASDAQ. Okay. Okay. Just give me a second. So if we do this one, okay, cool. Yeah. Um, we are going to carry on buying with US30. Yeah, we're going to carry on buying US30. Um, yeah, start seeing price shooting up nicely as it goes. So yeah, this is just not bad. This is not bad. Um, confirmation. We've got a good confirmation. Yeah. So confirmations, guys, they have to do a lot with how candles close, how price presents itself, um, how price treats an order block, how it treats a fair value gap, how it treats um, all of these things, right? So that's where our confirmations come in. That's how we are able to look at our confirmations and say, okay, is there anything that we can look for in order to confirm a specific reaction we are anticipating from the market? And how are we anticipating those things? We're anticipating those things to come from the data that you have spent time watching, and I'm saying watching, back testing and working on, right? So um, Danny B is like expecting gold to buy from 33123. Okay, let's put that level there. Let's put that level. Danny B says 331 195 95. Oh, okay, somewhere around here. Okay, somewhere around here. Danny B, you're expecting to buy from around there. Okay. Um. Hmm. If there is going to be a buy, just give me a second. I just want to confirm something here. This one. Okay. Okay, I think I might be seeing something here now. Okay. Um, at the moment, I don't want gold. Let me go to the 3 minutes time frame. I don't want gold to take out this low anymore. If it does, for the setup I am looking forward to, what are you saying, Danny B? I put it wrong way. 3312. 3312. 2. Okay, let's correct that for Danny B. 3312. Where is that? Oh, somewhere at the bottom there. Okay, now that's fine then. That's okay. That kind of goes in sync with what we looking forward to, right? We're looking for bearish price action, yeah. So yeah, we're looking for bearish price action. Just give me a second here. I want to see. I want to prepare for NASDAQ, guys. I want to prepare for NASDAQ. Um, okay. Yeah, NASDAQ is going to carry on buying, guys. NASDAQ is going to carry on buying. It's going to carry on buying, like we say. So we are waiting for it to come around this vicinity here, so we can short with it. So again, remember, guys, anything that is discussed, shared here, um, is not financial advice, right? Yeah, it's not financial advice. Um, it's all for entertainment purposes. So don't take anything here as something for you to trade, right? Or to say you are following this and doing that. No. Um, okay. Okay. Let's put this guy a bit more. Let's go into 5. So if price can come maybe in this order block here, maybe happy there. And then we can sell. That's what we're looking forward to. Entry there, stop loss there. And then we can have a maybe, hey, sometimes it doesn't go there, so we can even have it halfway there. So, but if I get a confirmation, it'll turn this trade from a 2R maybe to a 4R, right? Because now we would know how to execute and when to execute the trade. So okay, so what else do we have here? We are still waiting for that, right? A potential move up, so we can go down. Yeah, we'll wait for a confirmation again. Yeah, then gold. Where's gold? Where's gold? Where's gold? Okay, gold is doing something interesting. Like I said, I don't want to see gold take out this low here, but now it has done something that could give me a trade to short, and I'm waiting. Yeah, I want to see, is my things even ready? Can you make sure my guns are ready? Yeah, no, I hope I don't get banned or flagged for saying guns or something like that. Yeah, but my ammo is ready. Maybe it makes more sense. That's what I meant. Right. So making sure they are ready so that I can be part of this trade if it gives me a confirmation. If it doesn't, then we're not gonna get in. We are trading the funded account to make sure we're trading the funded account, not the other account. Um, so let me see. Not yet, not yet, not this drop here. Not yet. We want to see if it's going to give us our confirmation. Uh, and if it does give us a confirmation, we'll be happy. We'll be good. We'll be good. We'll be good. We'll actually get in the trade. Daily V's like mine is also financial advice. I could be wrong. The market does not belong to my father. After all, yeah, that's the market doesn't belong to our fathers or anyone. We need to always remain objective and not subjective, right? If you're subjective, it will be a mess. It will be a mess if you are doing things according to how we feel. Because subjective is about it looks like or it feels like. No, it's about objective. This is what I need to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then as you apply to those rules, you completely remain neutral, right? Even though if your feelings are whatever your feelings are doing are saying to you, you just stick to what you've studied, right? Okay, I'm just gonna put an alert on gold, maybe just back here because I see it's kind of playing around right now. Um, yeah, it looks like it's playing around. US30, US30 may have potential. US30 may have potential. Yeah, US30 may have potential. All of this you're seeing here is taking place because of what's about to happen in the next 12 minutes, 30 minutes, yeah. Right. So it's good just to be on the sidelines while we are watching. Then we've got our areas where we are interested to. If price gets pushed there, then we can execute our trades there. So okay, so let's see. Wow, wow. This yeah, it's looking interesting here. Excuse me. It's looking interesting. Okay. Let me update my analysis. Just give me a second. Okay. Also, I'm gonna do this here. Um, let's get some music in here, guys. Let's get a bit of some music. Sounds a bit quiet. Okay, much better. Still waiting. Okay. Like we said, we need a confirmation. We're not just going to execute, right? Still waiting. I'm not be able to hear myself think as well. I'm just putting a bit of the volume a bit down. Okay, so gold is taking out. So we're just waiting for a confirmation now, and then we'll see if we're gonna get our sell or it's just playing with us. Okay, no confirmation. So yeah, we're not gonna take the trade right now. There's no trade. There's no trade with gold right now. Okay, let it go up. Let it go up. So let's see what is it saying to us now. The five. You know, guys, in order to live stream, you need to be a talkative person, man. You need to talk a lot. I think I know a person who would be able to live stream good. Actually, yeah, they talk a lot. And when I watch other people's live streams, they constantly talking. I mean, I think trading is not fully like that. Um, yes, it's good to talk, but at the same time, um, you need to think. You need to actually think more than you talk. All right? Yeah. You need to just think more than you talk. Okay. Okay. In 5 minutes, we'll be having uh, the news drop. So yeah, just on the sidelines right now. I mean, we've got our trade ideas, right? With NASDAQ still remaining. With NASDAQ, we're still waiting for price to come here. So I don't think there's a reason for us to, um, yeah, we're still waiting. Also with gold, I do have a potential sell. Yeah, again with gold. So I'm waiting for it as well. I need to have my confirmation and then I'll get in the sell. And let's take note, it's now New York. So what does that mean? What does that mean? It means that contracts value has went up. It's not the same value, right? So so yeah, one contract is no longer the same, or five contracts are no longer the same. You need to be very careful. We need to be very careful. Okay, in about 2 minutes. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, gold, I think I'm not getting my confirmation to short. Let me pause this music a bit. Yeah, I think I'm getting a confirmation to kind of short. We'll get in one contract, and then I'm gonna put my stop loss just above the high. So sell, right? And then my stop loss is going to be just above. So I'm selling, so I should put a buy stop. Order submitted. Okay, probably had that. Yeah, I'm just gonna be trading a little bit. Like I'm risking less here. I don't want to risk a lot from this guy here. So let's see. Okay, that's good. That's actually good what we're seeing there. Wow, that was actually beautiful, guys, eh? Oh, I entered NASDAQ here. Sorry, that's why I'm in profits that side. I'm thinking it's gold. I'm in gold. Let me show you where I am in gold. There's the sell. It's still dropping, still dropping. I'm up. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I am happy. I'm done. I'm done. Are you seeing the beautiful trade, guys? Are you seeing how beautiful the trade is? Are you seeing how beautiful the trade is? Are you seeing the beautiful trade? I got my confirmation. News or no news? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Are you seeing this drop? And we were part of this drop, guys. We're part of this drop.
Order filled.
Let's see, let's see, let's see. Yeah, guys, we ate the drop. We ate the drop. We ate the drop. We ate the drop. And this was only one contract. It's literally not even half of what I was using earlier on. Oh, guys. Oh, my goodness, guys. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. This was beautiful. Beautiful to the T, to the T. No, guys. One of the best things, man, is having a confirmation. And the confirmation is not the one the world tells you, no. It's a confirmation that you have spent time analyzing and being part of. Do you see what we ate? Let me show you what we ate so that it makes sense. Let me show you what we ate. Let me show you what we ate. Because let me show you what we ate. Let me see here. Where is this guy? Move. Yeah. Can you see what we ate, guys? Can you see what we ate? Yeah, I can see, Danny B, your point, eh? I can see the point that you are mentioning. Look at it, actually reacted there. Oh, Danny B. Okay, I see it's reacting right now, so I don't know if it's going to carry on going up or what, but that is good. NASDAQ, okay, NASDAQ is still buying, so we might even sell with it. So fine. Guys, let me show you where we ate. Let me show you where we ate. Let me show you where we ate. So you can see for yourself. Nah, today was just, I don't know. I don't know. Look at where we ate. Where is the current price? Yeah. Look at where we ate. Look at where we got in right there. We got our confirmation. Then let's see. Where is the blue? Okay, it's saying we ate around somewhere. So yeah, we did well, guys. We did well. We did well. Again, nothing on this channel is financial advice. Remember, nothing on this channel is financial advice. Again, nothing on this channel is financial advice. Um, it's all for educational purposes only. Only for educational purposes, right? Today we made it, guys. Today we made it. You can see how much we ate there. We made it. We made it. We made it. We ate. We ate. So um um yeah, we ate. We ate. We did very well. And like I said, guys, I'm happy I said all of these things on stream because these are not the big three. Trade what your setup is showing you. Trade what you are seeing, right? Don't just be there looking for time, no? Looking for or news or looking for something so that you can be lucky. Trade what you are seeing, and the setup is going to play out. And then my stop loss in place. Uh, yeah, this was actually good. We are now above 3,300. We are way above the 3.3 that we wanted, the 2.6 that we wanted. I mean, so yeah, when it comes to consistency score now, this is where Bullanox sometimes become challenging. So one of the things I'm not aware or I'm not sure about is if Bullanox counts the consistency score starting from the STP or SPT, right? Or does it calculate it in a way where we have what do you call it? Only after, right? Like only after. So today is practically day one. It's like it's day one. So it being day one, um, We still have 10 trading days that we need to have. So I'm not going to worry about that still. I'm still not going to worry about that. We still got 10 trading days. So in order for us to dilute that, because the consensus score at least is good, it's 40%. So in order for us to dilute that consistency score all the way down from 100% to 40%, um, if we have at least 3 days where we make this amount again, then we'll be good. Then we'll be actually good, right? Yeah, guys, it's been going down, guys. I don't know if that sounds right. It's been going down. It's going down. It's been going down, right? So um, yeah, we did well here, guys. We did beautifully well. We did beautifully well. Let me put this here on the side while we did very well. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. We did beautifully well. So let's see. NASDAQ, how far? Okay, NASDAQ. Oh, guys, see now, I don't know if I should carry on trading, right? Because what if now, okay, let me not say no to winners. Let us just win, right? I guess let us just win. When it's winning, let's just win. NASDAQ, I'm still waiting for it to go up so that we can drop with NASDAQ, right? And if that drop does take place, hey, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I wouldn't know. Um, then he's like, are you not seeing the gold and the buy on gold? Yeah, we did talk about it, right? We did talk about, he did mention the level here. But again, let me see here. I put in a letter on NASDAQ, go back to gold. And I want to see, okay, for me, if there has to be a setup for me to get involved in gold, uh, I need to have my confirmations. I need to have everything in order for me to get in. That's why my entries are precise, right? So it's good that it's actually reacting from where you wanted it to react, NB. It's actually good. I'm happy. I hope you are making good, or you ate good there. Um, yeah, I see the reaction. So in order to participate, yeah, in order to participate in gold, I am seeing the buy. If the buy does carry on, no, I'm not saying I'm seeing the buy. If the buy carries on, I'm seeing it go maybe somewhere around this vicinity here, then we drop again to taking out the low. So I don't know where you're actually seeing where your buy is going up to or until, but again, NASDAQ has given even a nice opportunity here, a nicer confirmation, let me say, because I'm actually aware, I know where I'm looking for the buy and I know when to look for confirmation. I've got other factors of confluences, like I mentioned. Let me show you here. So we've got price moving from this area here. You can see we reacted there, we also reacted there, went up. Now we're coming back. So I'm expecting it just to come back up and then go back down. So the NASDAQ is actually also moving well. So we are up 3.3, guys. 3.3. If we have to convert that into rands, guys, 3.370. 3.370. So it's 3.370 USD. To that is 60. Oh, I didn't put that right. It's 3 what? 3.370. Yeah. That is 60,000 rand, guys. Wow. That is 60,000 rand. Yeah, it's not ours. Okay, well, it is ours if we do get to um, withdrawing 3 payouts at least, then we'll be able to actually withdraw the 2.6 of that money there. Yeah. So let's just see. You know what? This will probably be my last trade with NASDAQ. Out of how many trades we took today? Five? This one, four? Five? Four, five? We've had one loss only in one trade only. And the rest have been winning trades. So I want to keep my streak well. I want to keep. I also want to just document what happened today. So I want to just take note of some of the things that took place today. So we are just waiting for price to come in there. Excuse me. Okay, gold looks like it's pulling back down now. Let's see, is it just doing that to play, or does it have something serious? Why it's doing that? Or maybe it's pull back to buy. Where's gold again? Let's go back so you can see it. Yeah, so it looks like it's boom. So potential. Again, I guess it's a potential. That's if we pull back up. We're looking for it to sell, right? Um, yeah, it can potentially. It can actually can. It actually can. Some people who trade reactions, that reaction there, Denny B called out this reaction here. Yeah, from here going there, some may be able to actually get a strategy from that, right? But you need to have, of course, collected the data, have, even if you can have up to 10 to 15, 10 is okay still, of the same examples, we are looking at them side by side, and you are actually, uh, this one, yeah, sorry. Yeah, we know, yeah. As this thing has moved a bit, so I just want to put it nicer there. Maybe what I'm gonna do, right? I'm gonna work on a new layout where um so that this may be a bit zoomed in. Maybe, I don't know. I'll see with that. I'll see with that because I see it's becoming, it looks very small when we okay. Oh, okay, let's see what happened there. Okay, much better. Okay, yeah, it's much better now. Um, yeah, we have to see if gold really wants to buy, but like I said, reactions, areas of reactions, people have strategies built on that. So if you spend enough time on the strategies, it will be fun. Good. I didn't even finish my fat cook, guys. Okay. That setup is low for me. The buy, I can't see a buy anymore for me. The setup is low for me. Yeah. I can't see a buy. It has. So I hope the you knew where you were going out because you did not discuss the take profit, but yeah. Um, Even with this guy here, If you had a setup to go up, we actually called this, right? We did call this that we want to buy. We're looking forward to buys, but um, no. This will be my last trade for the day. And guys, remember, the discount ends tomorrow, right? The discount ends tomorrow. So for Bullinos, it ends tomorrow. Okay, I see you're still holding Denny B. Okay. Remember, guys, nothing here is financial advice. Denny B, to take these trades at your own accord, right? At your own risk. Um, okay, we're showing more of this idea. So I can remove the. I need to show the Ninja Trader side more. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay. It's not bad. Just making sure. Okay. This, if we don't get a confirmation, I'm not going to be part of this trade, right? Again, like I said, if you don't get this confirmation, you're not going to be part of this trade. Um, just reminding you that, so you can see the trade that we got in here. Took it from there to there. Okay. So we're still waiting for this area. Then we get a confirmation. Let me see what other what other as I say, what other kids are doing, right? I'm just looking at what other US, what other kids are doing. While we are waiting, let's not make it quiet in here. Okay, alert is off. It's too loud in some ears. I should put them down for it. So we are closer. We are closer to this guy here. Um, interesting. I see RJ said, I want to learn how to trade but don't know where to start. Would you help? Um, honestly, RJ, it's good that you are asking um, this type of questions, right? Because what that question just did to my mind, it just took me to my whole journey. It's been 4 years. I'm not saying I was supposed to be successful way before that, but as as a new person inside the trading industry, what takes place is that if you don't know exactly what to do, you will be maybe 80% or 90% you will be played with, right? So you either stumble upon a scammer or you will have uh, yeah you a scammer or you get scammed in so many ways, right? You can get scammed. I don't want to call them a good scam, but that's not going to come out of my mouth. But you can get scammed by the first one is whereby they trade for you, all those things. Stay away from that, RJ. Stay away from that. No one should trade for you. No one should have your account. No one should have. Then you're not trading. You're not trading. You're investing. You're having someone to invest for you. So we are here as we are talking. I'm still waiting. I'm still watching. Are we going to have a confirmation or we're not going to have a confirmation? We're still here. I'm waiting for the confirmation to see if it's going to form. So, um, yeah. So that one, stay away. And that one, you can't be a victim of it twice. Yeah. Yeah. If it happens to you 3 times, then I don't know what to say, but don't be a victim of that one, where someone comes and says, "Give me your money," or you give them your money, and then they will trade for you. And no, stay away from that one. Make sure you stay away from that one. That's one. Two, the other one which I wanted to use the term good, but which doesn't make sense for me to do so, is I don't think we're getting confirmation here though. Looking at what price is doing. Yeah. So um yeah, that's the one, right? The other one is whereby they'll sell you information that's already out there, right? Fine. I guess maybe it is the good thing of it is that it will guide you or point you at least towards a specific or some sort of direction, right? Even though it's not accurate direction, right? But it will send you to some sort of accurate direction. So um, what I would say, RJ, is if you don't know, like Denny B asked, do you know the basics of trading? If you don't know the beginning or the basics of trading, at this point, I would refer you to Baby Pips. Go to Baby Pips and do Baby Pips until you are in grade 3, right? Let me see, this is it called grade 3 or what? Past kindergarten, just go to Baby Pips here. Baby Pips is going to help you. Baby Pips, like a baby and with a peep on it, Pips. It's going to help you big time because you will be able to see, yeah, so you do preschool, right? Then you do kindergarten. I should be showing you this here. Because I'm actually looking at it on the other side there. So forex, yeah. You can come here, baby peeps. If you're watching this, I don't mind being an affiliate. I mean, here they don't do anything, right? They don't scam people or anything. So yeah, there is preschool, right? Then there is kindergarten, elementary school, middle school. So in middle school, you can stop. Let's see, moving averages. Okay, all of this here is not really much important. Yeah, stop by kindergarten. Okay, stop by kindergarten. I don't use any of these things anymore. I don't use none of these things anymore. So, but I did do until I think it was middle school. A friend of mine, I think, even got to high school. So they still, and these are new. These were never like this. Yeah, they were never like this. So do until this point here, until kindergarten. What is that going to do for you? It's going to allow you to be able to. It's going to allow you to be able to have the basics, right? It's going to give you the basics. If you, those basics are what is a chat, what are we doing, like what is actually trading, right? What is forex, like a foreign exchange, right? Knowing that there's always some form of exchange. You are buying something, hoping for it to appreciate in value, and then you gain that value. But that value is determined by the amount that you used to risk in order to anticipate it going up or going down, right? So yeah, practically that. That's what I would say. Trading is, right, or forex, or a part of forex, even although forex is in a specific division, right? It's in a specific division. But what we are doing here, we are trading. We are trading. So if you do until kindergarten, sorry, um, you'll be, yeah, I think you'll be fine. Then from there, you know your basics. I'm not saying you should now say I'm ready to trade now, but you know enough for you just to, when you're watching the stream, you'll be like, okay, I see that's a bullish candle, that's a bearish candle, that's a weak, this candle is an engulfing candle, this is a that, you'll be able to see that. But I'll be honest with you, my brother, before you choose to do this, you should be prepared to lose a part of you. You thought is a part of you that you thought is a part of you, and be prepared to gain and to learn and to see um, other parts of you that you never knew existed. Yeah, that's what I'll say. Other parts of you that you never knew existed, um, you should be prepared for that. Um, you may think you are patient. You may think you will be tested, and you will have to stick to that, right? You have to learn. Sorry, that word just came out. When I say stick, I'm actually looking to see if I'm actually having a confirmation or if we were just playing here. Yeah, I'm just laughing that end this year. No confirmation or entry, right? I'm laughing at not just that. I'm just laughing that there was actually an entry. Let me see. Wow, can't believe this. There was an entry to buy from actually the bottom here. Somewhere here, there's an entry to actually buy. But yeah, no, guys, I think we've had a good day. Um, I've got a lot of documentation I need to do here. Um, yeah, I've got a lot of documentation I need to do. We had a good day. I mean, $3,000, guys, is not a joke. It's good money. It's actually good money. Um, I'm just gonna quickly scan through. I mean quickly. I'm going to quickly scan through and see if there may be any setup right before we close. Otherwise, we can close it at a very good streak today. Today we had a very good streak. You know what's funny is there was a buy. I saw this buy right as I was talking to you with a different approach or with a different setup, which was then now which I then saw. Okay, there's another setup. There's another buy. There's where we are going to take out this high. So now seeing both those two different setups, different confluences come together and say we are buying. That is good. That is beautiful. That is literally beautiful. So meaning truth is truth. That's why if you are using different approaches or different strategies, you'll be able to still get a win, right? So RJ again, after after you've done baby pips and kindergarten, go do ICT concepts. Do ICT concepts. Go do the 2022. I'm literally just guiding you from the point where I felt a turning point, right? Where I was now actually learning consciously and presently learning what I am doing and seeing that, okay, it's actually broad, right? Like the canvas is broader or bigger than I actually think. And then after that, what you do, um, make sure you do the homeworks. Make sure you do the homeworks. Make sure you do the homeworks of the 2022 ICT concept. And try to also extract what he's trying to teach you, which is not obvious. Because this man, the way he's a genius, he's teaching you things which he's giving you tools, practically. I'll say it that way. He's giving you tools so that you can um, be able to create things with those tools. I don't know if that makes sense. So you can be able to create things with those tools, right? He's giving you ingredients so that you can create flour. Someone else, no, not flour, sorry, can create bread. Someone else will create pizza with probably the same ingredients. Someone else will create the fat cook I was just eating now. Someone else will create this. He's giving you ingredients. So that's what you should, when you're watching the 2022, make sure you are there watching. And the goal here, I'll say to you, is when you watch the 2022, then go watch the 2016. All of these things are on YouTube. After you watch the 2016, don't watch. I'm not saying don't watch all of it. Maybe um, I use. I mean, ICT himself, even in the beginning of 2016, he does mention that um, not all my traders or not all my students are going to use all my models, right? He will maybe reveal 5, and some will use 1, some will use 2, some will use 3, some will use all of them, right? So those models are extracted, of course, from different lessons, different months, like month 1, month 2, month 3, month 4, you know. And um, so what I watched almost the whole of 2020, 2016, but I stopped, I think, until month 10 or the end of month 10 or so, yeah. But then I rewatched them. I found myself a lot on month 4, or month 1 and month 2 is very important. You need to. That is the core of ICT trading, where he's teaching you about the IPDA, which is the Enterprise Bank Delivery, Price Delivery, sorry. Um, yes. So if you watch that, you'll be able to, that should be your core, how price moves. That should be your core, like foundation. And then you go and watch, or what I watched, like, this is the rewatch. I watched the month 4. Month 4, I love the month 4. The month 4 is actually showing you when an order block. When you're showing this order block, there's a, if you are paying attention enough, you will hear him say, my order block, right? Meaning, if he's saying my order block, when I'm saying, if you go back when I was highlighting that area, I was saying an order block. I didn't say it's my order block, right? Or the order block. I said an order block. I still say it's my order block. That signifies and that tells us a lot of that he is the one who actually put this to light, right? Discover this and put it to light. So there's that. Then after we teach you mitigation blocks, we teach you all of those things. All right. Running I'm the one who came up with running proportion. Running, no, propulsion order blocks. Propulsion order blocks will teach you that. So, um, but, and then month 8 as well. Beautiful, beautiful. Month 8 will teach you structure. Month 8 and month 1, if you are able to put the IPDA and the month 8, what you're seeing in month 8, and put them together, you will be able to blend. You'll be able to see something there. And then as you do all of these things, make sure you pray. I don't know what religion you are, but you need to exercise a lot of faith. And you pray for the Holy Spirit to be with you, because it's going to help you and it's going to guide you to see things that you, regardless of the situation, how tough it is. That I'm giving advice from my lens, right? How I'm looking at this here. So um, make sure you pray, and it's going to guide you, and listen to it. Um, it will come as a thought. You'll be like, oh, okay, what about that? Yeah, let it not be just what about that, and then you move on. No, say, okay, fine, go visit that point. Find yourself, find yourself doing this, branching off like a tree or like a seed. The seed grows into roots, stem, and branches. A branch is one branch from the main stem, branches off, branches off. That's how I could maybe explain. I could maybe explain how I've been feeling the Holy Ghost have an impact on my life. And as I branch off, the point where a new branch is created, mark that point. Mark that point, take note of it. And when I mean mark it, take pictures. If you are able to get yourself a printer, buy yourself a printer, my brother. It's going to help you a lot. Buy yourself a printer. It's going to help you a lot. And then um, print, print setups, print the way price is behaving, what you are seeing, and as you print those things, you get to touch them. When you touch them, it's different from just seeing it on the phone or just seeing it on the PC, right? I print them, then as you're going to branch off, branch off, branch off, some point you come back to the main step, you go back up again, and maybe that first stamp, that the first branch from the main stamp was maybe a different strategy or a different understanding or a different maybe month one. Month five is a different branch which also has its own things. As you are marking those things, and you take these things from this side and you take things from this side and put them together, you will see wonders. That's what I'm going to say to you. Don't, this is what I'm going to say to you. Don't rely on your mind. That I will remember. Don't. Because if you do that, it will take longer. You are practically just taking longer. So I hope that helped, that response. Guys, we've spoke so much. Um, we've got limitless media here. We're golden brave here. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. Um, um, I'm just scanning through right now, seeing if there's any other setup. Otherwise, guys, we had a good day. We had a good day already from London, from passing the second account and also making, I think at that time we were about $2,000 or something like that. So then we came New York. New York, we made it again. So out of 4 trades that we had, out of 5 trades that we had, one was a loss. Then all 4 were good winners. So what we can do now is, before we leave, we're gonna rate ourselves, our performance. So if we look at our London performance, I don't know, let me make sure you can actually see all of this here. All right. If you look at our, yeah, I think you can see everything now. If you look at our London performance, our punctuality was spot on. When I mean spot on, I mean like it was spot on, as in we were here at half 7, we were seated at half 7, before half 7, and we were already analyzing at that time. So that is good. Our setups, we did not take all the setups in London. Hence, um, we don't have a good, what do you call it? A good, a full score for our setup executions. Our discipline was, well, was not good. Was not good, in fact. I'm actually thinking of the previous one that we were comparing to this, right? We need to improve on that. That's our journaling and our setups. So, did we pray for guidance? Yes, we did. Did we trade only documented setups? Yes, we did. I mean, London we only traded only one, right? Only traded only one. Did we risk according to plan? Yes, we did. Took the correct number of trades, only took 1 trade, which is good. Did we follow our mechanical and discretionary rules? We did do that live here as well. Did we have a stop loss and a take profit? You heard me say I'm putting a stop loss, and you also heard it when I executed the stop loss. So we did. Did we trade on a valid day? That has to do with we did, which is a beautiful day for us to trade. So good. And then we proceed. Our punctuality for New York. I'll be honest with you guys, my punctuality for New York was not good. I only started analyzing at 1:05, 5 minutes past 1. It's because I was trying to edit the video that I had when I was passing the account so I can drop it, but I'm gonna drop it maybe after this year, right? So which is not good. I'm supposed to be there 30 minutes before. So we'll give ourselves so A is if I'm there before 30 minutes before. B is if I'm just on time. C, it's if I am overdue, and I was overdue by 5 minutes, right, from normal time. So, and if D is if I come at 2 o'clock or I come at, no, I need to be part of the session. So we'll put a D there. So you can see punctuality is now decreased, but we'll be able to compare that nicely. Setup execution tops. So again, if our punctuality, we know that if our punctuality is not good, we cannot get an A for our discipline. So our discipline will be B. For us to get our discipline A, meaning we followed everything to the T. So we will need everything to the T. So we will need all of these things to be A in order for us to learn. Journaling, New York. Yes, I did journal. I did journal. Miss setup. There's no miss setup. Okay, wait. There is. There is the buy that I'm talking about there. There is a buy setup. Let's go back. So I remind you. This buy here. Why we in fact I spoke about it. We were expecting for we're looking for a buy so that we can now start selling. But then I said, okay, I'm not going to take the buy, I'm going to take the sell, and the buy was so beautiful. So it's always good to make sure you are in the buy going up, and then when the sell comes, if you take a loss there, it's okay for you to take a loss because how is that going to help? It's going to help with it's actually going to help with I mean the buy. Let's say this buy was a 5 or 6 R, and I take a loss here. It's going to be 1 R loss, so I'm going to be up 5 or 4 R for the day. So that's the setup we missed, which is if we missed one setup, we will go to B. If we missed two, we go to C. So we only missed one, so it's B. So again, this performance scale strives again, like it shows again its purpose, right? It highlights its purpose again, which is to make sure that it's managing the trader then manage the trade, it's managing the trader then gives birth to the outcome. So this performance scale gradient, the objective of it is to make sure that you are always performing at your best. It's not about the winners, it's not about the losses. So I think maybe that is why maybe I mean we've made $3,300 and I'm not excited. I'm not okay, I'm not saying I'm not excited. No. I'm happy. I am happy. But I think I need to take myself out of this scale in order for me to actually start enjoying or maybe see the money. Actually, I get to touch the money, right, when I withdraw it. Um, I think maybe that is why I'm more in a locked in mode. That's the purpose of this thing is to keep in a zone, in a locked in mode. That's the whole purpose of this thing, right? So, let's see something here. I want to make sure this is also visible so you can see it there. Okay, yeah. So that's the purpose of it. So is this better? Okay, let's just take note here, right? Is I missed setup which had me uh, choosing uh, choosing the second opportunity instead of the first to the second. So yeah, this is which had me. Okay, cool. So you're gonna say submit. Now we got 21 points, guys. We also got 21 points in London, and they were both good trades. They're both good sessions, let me say. Have I had higher than 21 points? Yes. Last Thursday when we passed the account, the first account, the master one that you are watching now, we then had we passed, right? We passed the account, and then it was a good session. That was in the morning. And then the second session, um, no, I'm wrong. It's not the 16th. Sorry, this is yesterday. Sorry, I'm sorry. There is the 23 points. Yeah, on the 10th, we had 23 points. We passed this day here, right? We passed an account, and out of 4 trades, all 4 were spot on. Yeah, this was a beautiful session. Yeah. Then this one here, overall, the notes we had, although New York was losing trades, I still scored high because I followed my trading plan and respected it. So it's not about winners or not losers, it's about following your trading plan. So you see here, I had a winning trade. I had grade A, 23 points, grade A, 23 points, but one was a winner, one was a loser. Meaning I lost good. I had good losses. I lost what I was willing to risk. I lost what was in what I was supposed to lose, right, according to my trading plan. So, but yet B today we've made the most, while A is we've had higher, right? So if you look at our previous session, so where did we drop and where did we improve? We dropped at our punctuality, right? And we also dropped at our missed setup, but we improved everywhere else, which is our setup execution. We did. Let's go back. Let's just go back so you can see the setup execution. Look at that. Excuse me. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is, right? Oh, it's not showing. I thought you can actually see it. There's it here. Look at that there. That's our setup execution. From there, pa, went out nicely there, right? So um, that's that. And then our discipline was way much better. So we improved, yeah. We improved on our journaling. So tomorrow, what's our focus? Our focus is going to be improving at our missed setup. Make sure that every setup that is according to our trading plan, we've analyzed. Because you see, these two have a relationship, punctuality. If I'm not there in time, I'm not going to have enough time to analyze the setups that are there. Hence, they'll pass me. So if I'm, for example, I could have had a 24 score points, a higher day today, a higher point today than any other day I've had before. And my, in fact, I should have had a 5 because if I have 4, all of them, 24, meaning discipline is going to be 25. But because I came late, and I'm not gonna say late, but I was not there in time, and I missed one setup to go up. So that's what now made it um, have us go down here. If these two were up here, we'd have a perfect score for the first time. So we will improve, right? It's only gonna get better. It's only gonna get better. Uh, we have done our rating anyway. I should not be looking at the market. I'm seeing setups now. So we are 6 now. We're still an amateur, guys. The goal is to get to a legendary. But yo, if we're trading every day, right? If we are trading every day and we, yeah, if we trade every day and we are rating this, in order for us to get to an amateur, meaning that's without strikes, we will, to get to legendary, sorry, without strikes, it will need us at least 6 months, full 6 months. Hence, this is a journey. It's not something just um, we are trying to rush so that we get the status of. No. It's a process, it's about the journey. That's what makes you. Having a medal at the end, having a medal at the end, or if I just come and give you a medal at the end and say congratulations for being the best runner, doesn't make you a runner. It's not gonna give you the experience of a runner. It's not gonna give you the skill for you to actually run again or to use that. So it's not about looking good. It's not about feeling, making it look like you're doing good. No, it's about being objective. Like we're talking about with Danny B, right? Remaining objective with what you have to do. That allows you to build habits. It allows you to turn those habits into something that's part of you, right? And yeah, so we are only at 6 and we are only going to get better, right? It's only going to get better. That's what I want to say. Thank you for joining, guys. Thank you for being here. This was a fruitful day, an extremely fruitful day that we had. I am happy. I am happy that you're here. Uh, Subscribe, guys. There's a lot to take from these streams. Sometimes I feel like I'm actually showing a lot, um, but again, the only thing we can do is just to carry on improving. Please follow me on Twitter as well, guys. It will be that's where I'll be actually showing updates of or just that's why I'm more active. Let me say YouTube I am as well, but YouTube specifically for this. I can't stream on Twitter. If I could, I'll be streaming both. In fact, I can, but not now. At some point, I will be. Right. So, guys, um, see you next time, and